How to log in to Arab Bank. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Ben Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can log in or create account for Arab Bank. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to log in or create account for Arab Bank, you can simply head over to your browser on your device, any device, and then you can search in Arab Bank Limited login. Once you do so, you'll get the very first link that says www.arabbank.com. You can tap on it, and here you'll be headed to this page. Now here you can see there is no login option. In order to get the login option, you want to tap on the horizontal line icon at the right hand side of the screen. Then you can see the login option. You can tap on it and you can see log in to Arab Online or the Connect. So tap on login and you'll be able to go ahead and log into your account. So you can see if you are a new user, similarly you can tap on click here down below and you can go ahead and here if you forgot your username, you can tap and click here and go ahead and ask for your search for your username. Similarly, if you want to register, you can tap on registration and you'll be headed to the registration page. So this is how you can log in or create account for Arab Bank Limited. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.